ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಇದರ ಮನಃಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ವಿಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವಿಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದು. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಇದರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವಿಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ, ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಇವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಕಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ PS ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮಾತನಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಕಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಕುರಿತು ಅರಿವನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ಕಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಖಿನ್ನತೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ರವಾನಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ PS ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಃಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾರತ. ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಭಟ್, ಅಮಿತ್ ಮಿರ್ಜಾಕರ್, ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಯಕ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Aimed at educating people and spreading awareness about the importance of mental health and how one should never neglect their mental health issues. This pandemic has opened the floor to discuss and talk in detail
of the problem. 25%, 20 to 25% is really too much. So that's the reason WHO is now giving a lot of importance to mental health. And if you take up lifestyle diseases, you know most of them: diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And to that, about 3 years ago, another condition was added, that is depression. That's a mental illness. So that shows how important mental health field is. All over the world, though the mental illnesses are very common, the availability of mental health care is very low. Even if the care is available also, people do not go for treatment. According to WHO, it is said that only 1/3 of the people who suffer from mental illnesses go for treatment. And out of 1/3, this 1/3, only 1/3 of them get adequate treatment. Then you can imagine the burden of the mental illnesses on the society. Various reasons are there. Maybe the availability, approachability, the stigma, the financial status. So
great honor to welcome Professor Dr. Satish Kumar Bhandari, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Nitte Deemed to be University, for this occasion of observation of World Suicide Prevention Day and the World Mental Health Day, and he has accepted and he is presiding over the function. Please do welcome sir. We are very pleased to welcome our Registrar Dr. Alka Kulkarni, Registrar Nitte Deemed to be University, for today's function, and was agreed to inaugurate the today.
the Chief Guest, Dr. PS Prakash, the Dean of Kshema, the Vice Deans of Kshema, Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dr. Miraskar, the Medical Superintendent, Dr. Shivkumar Hiraman, the heads of institution, Dr. Krishna Nayak, then the head of the Department of Psychiatry, Dr. Srinivas, Professor of Psychiatry, Dr. Satish Kumar, and all the other faculty, students, and audience. It gives me great pleasure to be a part of this unique program. It is the order of the day that this awareness about mental health be spread among all. The reason, all of us have undergone very bad times during the COVID pandemic, and this pandemic, as Dr. Satish Rao has been giving us the statistics, has increased the disorders of mental health among everywhere, among all the populations in the entire world. This probably because of the seclusion, because of the various isolations that were there. People were not able to talk to their friends or see their families for some time, which has aggravated this problem of mental health. And as to the theme of the mental health,
it's a very tragic thing. Most of the suicides, majority of them, is preventable. It's a momentary decision that has been taken, and somebody is available to render them a shoulder. I think it can be prevented. Very rarely we see people who had a planned suicidal attempt going through the success, but most of these suicides can be prevented by appropriate interventions or counseling. So I am proud that my
institution, university, first and colleges, also from outside. A lot of people have participated from the colleges from Mangalore and from Dakshina Kannada. Congratulations, the winners. And I would not like to repeat whatever the previous speakers. Satish has dealt very effectively regarding the importance of the day. But one thing, the theme, creating hope with action. That's very important. What action we are taking. I am very proudly to say that NITA University has taken several steps to prevent the suicide.
In the central portion of my poster, I painted a hand from above holding a hand from below, which had a few tentative or hesitation cuts on the wrist, which is an important sign of previous attempts of suicide. And it is important to be able to identify such signs. To paint this, I held my friend's hand and in the same manner, and I took a picture of it and painted it. A helping hand, a hand